Today we're talking about the Angelus Shoe Trees in size 6 through 13 black. These shoe trees have been an essential part of our reselling business for over 3 years, and we use them daily to stage shoes for pictures. One of the standout features of these shoe trees is their durability. After years of frequent use, they've held up remarkably well, showing no signs of wear or cracking, even under constant pressure. Another thing we appreciate is their adjustability. Designed to fit sizes 6 through 13, they expand easily to give shoes the perfect shape. This makes them versatile enough to handle a wide range of footwear, from sneakers to dress shoes. For us, the biggest benefit is how they enhance the look of shoes in photos. By maintaining the structure of the shoe, these shoe trees make every pair look professional and well cared for, which is critical when selling online. Overall, the Angelus Shoe Trees are a reliable, long-lasting tool for anyone who wants to maintain their shoes or display them for resale. If you're looking for a practical and affordable option, these are definitely worth considering.